Hey guys, this is a food shop. I'm filming on my phone because my camera's packed in a bag. We just got back from Sainsbury's. It was £118, but you will see that there's stuff in there that isn't grocery. So I think, what was that? About £36 of it was not groceries. The rest is food. So yeah, there's 5 of us. I thought I would show you what we got. This is the food shop. So we'll start down here. Foxy picked a book. He was so good, so I let him pick a book. I got myself this Slimming Eats one. I love recipe books, like I'm obsessed. Got a lot, but this just looked like a really nice one, so I got that. And then I had to get some paper because I needed it for work and the kids for drawing because they've been rinsing it. I got 2 lots of squash, 4 lots of Aria's pepperoni. She loves this. It's the only pepperoni she eats. So I got 4 lots of that. Some hummus, sausage rolls, tea bags for Ben. I got myself 2 lots of my ham. This was on offer. It's so yummy. I love it. Foxy some swim nappies because we go away in like 2 and a bit weeks, so they were on offer, so I got them. 2 lots of little yogurt drinks for the kids. These were on offer. These were £1. And then I got Ben a pasta sauce because I've got to make him some pasta for the week. 2 lots of lean mince, some nachos because we're having chili tonight. I will do a proper meal plan at the end of this with you guys. Lights on, okay. Boxes in the other room. Some Maris Pipers, some carrots, some Bandit, some sea salt, decaf coffee, garlic granules, onion granules, 2 lots of red lentils because we've completely run out, 2 lots of ground cumin because we go through so much, extra mature, cheddar, some quinoa to try, celery. I just chop this up into little bits and then I put it in the freezer, and then because we know one likes celery, but it's really good to hide in things like chili. Some nutritional yeast, mini poppadoms, oranges. Foxy chose some broccoli because he loves broccoli, so we've got tender stem, garlic bread, massive thing of strawberries. That was £3.50, which I thought was really good. It's huge. It's like 800 grams of strawberries. Bandit is watching, I think he's watching a bird or something out there. Bandit, what are you doing? Mozzarella pearls for Foxy because he loves mozzarella. A kitty cat. Grapes. You want some mozzarella, 2 peppers, some cheese, iceberg, peppers for Ben's pasta, pan au chocolat, wraps, some Snacker Jacks, some ricotta, bagels. This is my favourite yogurt, the Yarra Valley Extra Thick. Again, that was on offer. Sausage balls, smoothies, milk, Lenore things, nappies for Fox, crackers to replenish. We have a cracker box that we just, don't judge my house, a cracker box that we just refill, and then a big thing of Go Cat for the kitties. Yeah, so that is that. I also had to go to a raw meat dog food company because we're trying Rocky on raw meat just because he smells so bad. So we did get some for the cats and they refused point blank to eat it. Proper cat food, not dog food. So we got this from near us. We've got some wild boar cubes for him to try. These are like training treats. And then some tripe and some complete chicken. So he has half and half twice a day. So we'll see how he is. But yeah, I'm going to put this away, get Foxy to nap, and then we'll come back and do a meal plan. Hey, it's much later in the day. It's now... My watch doesn't want to tell me. Why doesn't it want to tell me what time it is? 8 o'clock. Here's Cardigan. Need Bandit. Today kind of got away from me in regards to coming back and filming the meal plan before I looked. I've done the school run twice with rainy day hair. So yeah, tonight we had chili. I didn't have as many lentils as I usually do because I had to buy them while we were out shopping. So it was nice chili, but it just wasn't the normal texture that I make. Tomorrow we're having pasta. The kids are probably just going to have Mario will have butter pasta with parmesan and crispy onions, and Mika will have pesto pasta, and then me and Ben will have some kind of like carbonara, and Fox will just eat everybody's. Wednesday we're going to have chicken wraps. Hello. Hello. Say hi. Such a lovely boy. Oh, yes. My friends just told me Love Island starts tonight. I'm so excited. I didn't realise. Thursday we're having a freezer feast because we need to make some space in the freezers because Rocky Dog is now on a raw food diet. So his food is in the freezer. So we've had to clear a whole freezer space out for him. So we need to eat some stuff from the freezer. Friday we're having risotto. Saturday we're having spaghetti bolognese. And then Sunday we're having Cajun mince because I just used the leftover bolognese sauce and turn it into Cajun mince, which we have with rice, and it's delicious. Lunches, I'm making, got cauliflower, don't know what that is, cauliflower, why am I doing that? Cauliflower buffalo wings, I'm not sure what this was, which I have with like hot sauce and cheese dip, and it's delicious. I'm going to make a bacon, lentil and potato soup. Probably some bagels in there. Breakfasts, I'm having overnight oats a lot at the moment. And eggs quite a lot in the morning because Mika likes eggs before school. So if she has eggs, then I'll generally have eggs as well. But yeah, that is the meal plan. Fox, who is the baby, will literally just, he'll have started the morning off every morning with one of these waffles, which is why I have them next to my bed so I can give him one as soon as he wakes up, because he literally walks in and goes, "I'm hungry," and then he'll have a bowl of cereal, and then he will start to eat what everyone else is eating. So if Mika says she wants an egg, he'll be like, "Might have egg," so I make him an egg and he'll eat an egg. There's another cat. Hey baby, hey baby, we're gonna watch some TV. Who's your beautiful boy? That you. That's you. Yeah, so that was our meal plan and food shop for us. This will probably last us 2 weeks. The only things we'll have to go back for is milk, bread and berries. I think we're good for everything else. So £118, but as you saw, I got things that weren't groceries as well. So it's around about between £85 and £90, I'm thinking, for groceries, to do a family of 5 for 2 weeks. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I love you, bye.